just like the World War II pilots would have had to. Now, this is a little bit towards the end of the performance. You gotta take the aircraft up really steep and go to 0 G. You'll hear the engine sputter. You'll see it backfire. A big file.
Hello everyone! Ayun, so ayun, nandito ako sa Beale Air Force Base dahil meron silang air show today at nandito ang Thunderbirds. Ayun, ano nga ba ang Thunderbirds? Try nyo mag-watch sa Netflix, nandun yung Thunderbirds. So, sobrang init. As in, sobrang daming tao ngayon. And ayun, nandito nga ako sa Beale Air Force Base at itatry kong i-coverage ang air show. So ayun, hindi basta-basta na papapasok. So this is the first time na inopen nila tong base na to in public. Sobrang init. Time check, it's 2:03 in the afternoon. Sobrang init. Ayun. Medyo maingay. Siyempre, nandito tayo sa tarmac. Kaya medyo maingay. So, ayun, nakapila ko ngayon dito. At meron silang mga exhibits like airplane. They have U-2s. They have this one. Ayan, na pwede namang umakyat. So, ayun, sobrang madami tao. And, napakainit talaga dito. Nakakaloka. Pero, ayun, we'll see. Tignan natin ang loob nitong plane na to. This one right here. The Beale Air Show, officially known as the Beale Air and Space Expo, took place on June 7th and 8th, 2025 at Beale Air Force Base in Yuba County, California. This was the first air show hosted by Beale Air Force Base in 7 years, and it celebrated the base history and the U-2 Dragon Lady's legacy. The team was 70 years at 70 feet. This is a rare opportunity for the public to visit the base, learn more about its operations, and see some really cool air base performances. The admission was free. Parking passes were free but required for entry. We've arrived at the tarmac. So gates open at 8 a.m. with venue access beginning at 9 a.m. and flying demonstration starting around noon. All vehicles will be subject to search. Banned items will be confiscated, and they also list the prohibited items. So this is the very first time that my dad and mom will go to an air show. They have static displays of military and civilian aircraft. This is Beale's Air Force Base Pride, the U-2 Dragon Lady. Dragon Lady is one of the United States' most secret aerial reconnaissance platforms for more than a half-century. The storied U-2 Dragon Lady still flies some of the U.S. military's most sensitive spy missions worldwide. So ayun na nga guys, sobrang aliw na aliw talaga ako dito sa air show at maraming mga choices na mga food stalls dito. Sa sobrang kaliwat ka ng food stalls, hindi kami makapili kung ano ang ilalunch namin. Ayan na si Dragon Lady at aliw na aliw ang aking tatay. This one is the KC-135 Strato Tanker. Masyado akong na-amaze sa plane na to habang ginagawa ko ang research na to. Mamaya, ichichismis ko sa inyo kung bakit ako sobrang na-amaze. At sobrang haba ng pila pero worth it naman. This one is the YFQ-44, unmanned fighter jet powered by artificial intelligence. Ang kisig, di ba? Walang piloto yan. Sobrang init lang talaga ng panahon, as in tirik na tirik ang araw. So, for you to go to an air show, kailangan mo talaga ng sunblock for your protection. So, medyo konti ang pila dito sa C-17. I hope I got it correct. This one is a C-17 plane. C-17 Globemaster is a versatile military transport aircraft designed for rapid strategic airlift of troops and cargo to main operating bases. Sobrang laki nito guys, as in. So, nag-enjoy ang tatay ko dito. Nakikita nyo naman. Ayan. At ang mga tao ay amazed na amazed sa sobrang laki ng airplane na to. Tignan nyo naman yung pinaka-hallway. Ayan. And hindi siya makalawang. It's sobrang linis niya talaga sa loob. At sobrang spacious. Meron siyang magkabilang aisle ng upuan. And it's a pretty cool plane. This one is an F-35 fighter jet. Ang astig, no? So this one, it's a T38 Talon. And for more static displays na nakakaaliw. How fun! Ayan, and more fighter jets pa tayong nakikita. Kagaya niyan. And this one, it's the CV-22 Osprey. This includes combat, support, combat service support, and special operations. Meron ito ang Marine, Air Force, at Navy. So, itong si Osprey, ayan, nagtatransport ng soldier, equipment, and supplies from assault ships and land bases. So, this is my mom and dad. Naaaliw sila sa mga static displays. Kung ang Air Force ay may Thunderbirds, ang US Navy naman, this is their pride. Ang Blue Angels. And again, ito ang pride ng Beale Air Force Base, ang U-2 Dragon Lady. Sobrang nakaka-amaze tong plane na to kasi this one is a spy plane and it's still very active. So again, this one is the T38 Talon. This one is a supersonic jet trainer primarily used by the Air Force to train pilots for advanced flight techniques and to prepare them for frontline fighter and bomber aircraft. At syempre, kung Thunderbird fan ka, may souvenir shop sila.
So, tinawag ko yung tatay ko kasi nandun siya sa may shade. So, sabi ko, nakapila ako. Kaya, maya-maya, baka pumunta yun dito. Malay mo, magbago yung isip niya. Ayaw na daw niya eh. Pero, ayun. Maya-maya lang. Yan, nakikita niyo yung shade na yun. Yun, o. Doon. Doon sa, ayan, sa shade na yun. Nandiyan yung tatay ko. Sobrang init. Nakapila pa rin ako dito sa ilalim ng arawan. Hirap talaga mag-content, no? Ayan. Sobrang init. Eto, pagka bumili ka ng payong na ganyan, it's $29. Kaya, forget it. Huwag na lang. Ay, pagkainit talaga. Talaga naman. As in. Natututsang na yung hair ko. Sobrang init. Gusto ko dito mong sumilong kay kuya. Ayan o. Diba nakikisiling ako kay kuya. Ay, apakainit talaga. Anyway, ayun. Nandito pa rin ako sa Beale Air Force Base. Dito. Ayan. At ang pinunta ko lang naman dito ay yung mga Thunderbirds dahil sobrang galing nila. Watch nyo sa Netflix, Thunderbirds. Magagaling ang mga stunts nila. So, malapit na ako sa katotohanan.
So, this is KC-135 Stratotanker. Ang taray, diba? This one is a flying gas station. How cool is that? I-attach niya lang yung pipe na yan, as you've seen in the picture, doon sa aircraft at pwede na niyang i-refuel. Tara, let's akyat tayo dito sa loob ng KC-135 Stratotanker at i-explore natin ang loob ng KC-135. Ayan, sobrang haba ng pinila ko guys sa initan para lang makapasok or makaakyat dito sa KC-135. And it's worth it. As in, sobrang worth it. Sobrang linis ng eroplano. Ayan, sa loob. And sa magkabilang side, makikita nyo naman na meron silang seating space. So, hanggang dulo yan, tayo ay mag-o-observe hanggang sa pinakadulo. Ayan. So, etong KC-135, hindi lang din siya para sa refuel. This one is for cargo too. So guys, eto naman ang tinatawag nila na boom pod. Ano nga ba ang boom pod? So this is the boom pod. It's the rear of the aircraft. So etong boom pod na yan, meron silang tinatawag na boom pilot. So the boom pilot is the one communicating to the receiver pilot and ensures the proper position of the fuel transfer. So yung boom pilot, siya yung nakikipag-communicate doon sa aircraft na pagsasalinan niya ng gas fuel. So, kaya ayan yung dyan po pwesto ang boom pilot. Diba? Very interesting. At para yan nakikita niya, meron siyang view dyan. So, this KC-135 Stratotanker, ang fuel transfer nito, it's about 600 gallons per minute. Diba? Ang astig. Gallon per minute yan pero yon 600. At ang KC-135 can transfer more fuels in just 8 minutes than an entire gas station pump in 24 hours. How cool is that? So this one, hindi lang siya service for Air Force, hindi. Siyempre, it provides fueling support sa Navy, Marine, and all allied nations.
So, nandito na ako sa loob ng plane. Diyos ka, Lord. Talaga namang ang init, apakainit. Ayan, nakaupo tayo dito. Apakainit. Dito muna ako dahil ang haba ng pinila ko. Pagkatapos, diba, hindi ako makakapagpahinga dito. So, diba, nakakaloka. Yung hulas, as in hulas talaga. As in super duper hulas. So, ayun. Nagpupunta rin sila dun sa pinuntahan ko. Doon sa far end. And doon naman tayo dun sa pinaka-cockpit pupunta. Tara guys, punta tayo sa cockpit.
Ayan, as you can see guys, nakapila ako papunta sa cockpit ng KC-135 Stratotanker. Ayan, approaching na tayo sa loob ng cockpit ng KC-135 Stratotanker. Sobrang na-amaze ako sa plane na to. And this aircraft also support, again, the cargo transport and can move 83,000 pounds of cargo. Additionally, up to 36 passengers can sit on either side of the plane. Ayan. This Stratotanker includes evacuations and stretchers. They can be loaded on board and transport patients wherever they need to go. So, di lang siya pang refueling tanker. Marami pa siyang use. How cool, diba?
Hey kid, don't ever let them get inside your head. They'll tell you what to do in life instead of everything you know that you could get. Don't let them guide your life towards regret. I'll fight for what I love with every breath. My past is filled with things I won't forget. I use them all to push me to my best. So treat the worst of times just like a test. If only I could go back in time, I'd tell myself that everything will end up alright. Just push yourself, test yourself, figure out what you like, and find your limits, don't be rigid, always work towards a prime. Surround yourself with open minds, people can change your life. A few friends with intent can help you feel alive. Find a passion, take some action, and with a little time, just be patient, make a statement, try to enjoy your life. They'll try to kick you while you're down. They wanna rise up while you drown. They wanna fill your head with doubt. They're silently scared that you'll figure it out. I'll make it look like I'm losing, won't bother hiding my bruises. And when they finally think you're wounded, then it's your chance to be ruthless. I make some progress, I can see that they compare. I think everyone's against me, maybe something in the air. Am I paranoid? I swear a void is forming and they're scared. I walk a straight path, not many can say that. I like to play fast, cross me and there's payback. You better pray that I don't see your face at any place that I go. I know you hate that. I've been doing fine, I'm not wasting any more.
That is so awesome! Napapanood ko lang sa Netflix to eh. Ngayon, napapanood ko lang dito yung Thunderbirds. So awesome. I love your show. Ayun, so kaloka, yun na iniintay natin ng mga Thunderbirds. Sobrang init. It's time check 3:42. Nakakaloka, sobrang init.
I live for the fight and the climb, and I think that the pain that's deep inside is what defines. So I won't give up, I'm gonna make it to the top. I don't care what's in my way, I swear I'm never gonna stop. I could fall flat on my face and I swear I will get back up, cause I don't deserve a thing and the road ahead is tough. They'll try to kick you while you're down, they wanna rise up while you drown. They wanna fill your head with doubt, they're silently scared that you'll figure it out. I'll make it look like I'm losing, won't bother hiding my bruises. And when they finally think you're wounded, then it's your chance to be ruthless. Hey kid, don't ever let them get inside your head. They'll tell you what to do in life instead of everything you know that you could get. Don't let them guide your life towards regret. I'll fight for what I love with every breath. My past is filled with things I won't forget. I use them all to push me to my best. So treat the worst of times just like a test. If only I could go back in time, I'd tell myself that everything will end up alright. Just push yourself, test yourself, figure out what you like, and find your limits, don't be rigid, always work towards a prime. Surround yourself with open minds, people can change your life. A few friends with intent can help you.
Ayun, so nakauwi na rin kami from the air show. Ay, dito ako sa neighborhood. Sobrang init kanina. And, ayun. Nag-enjoy naman sila. And, ayun. Medyo nahirapan ako talagang i-film yung Thunderbird na air show kanina. Sobrang hirap kasi bukod sa sobrang ang init, talagang nangitim talaga ako, as in super duper. Buti na lang nag-sunscreen kaming lahat. So, ayun. Salamat at sinamahan niyo ako ngayong araw na to. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell para lagi kayong updated sa aking mga vlogs. Till my next vlog. Bye guys. Team Elsie. Shawty.